Salted pork belly is a well-known Hakka dish. If you haven't tried it yet, you're definitely missing out. Hello my foodies, this is me again, CiCi. So in the next few minutes, stay with me, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna show you this super delicious salted pork belly recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love this. First, I have here 2 pounds of pork belly that I have thoroughly cleaned. I also took out its hair on the skin. Temperature for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna try to scrape some seasoning off the pork so it won't be too overly salty. But if you want to leave it sugar. Mix well. That's it. Alright, so now let's take a look at our pork. We're gonna take it out and let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing it into bite-sized pieces. Try without the sauce first. Okay, let's see this. I'm gonna pick this one. Look at that beautiful layers of pork, belly, and then the lean meat. So beautiful. Wow. Amazing. There is so much aromas to it. There's a crispy crust on the outside. Oh, so good. And then on the inside, the meat is super moist, super tender, just amazing. Let me try the dipping sauce. So good. Can you hear it? It's so crispy on the outside. So happy. Alright, so comment below and let me know what is your favorite pork belly recipe. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye!